and Yin Long. I made these customs over a year ago, and this video is just to I kind of answering a question or comment that somebody posted yesterday. So this is the sheet I printed a long time ago. Here I have the size, and I sold some of these sets on eBay, and here are some remaining. I want to show you. I used to get the steam alone and any regular onion caliber. So this is part of the onion caliber set, just the small set. And I had a lot of steam alone sets where I turned and painted the onion caliber as a an Yin Long. So these are just remainings I found in a box today, and I sold a few sets because somebody asked me that he wanted to. The problem is that I don't have any. At the time, I did not have any mold to make any faces, and neither today I don't have any time. I don't have time, and to make faces, it's not worth it. You know, to make it for sale, it's not worth it. So what I did is I just copy and print the faces and put it on the coaches, and that's it. Easy and simple. So I might try to make, since I have a few coaches and caravellas around somewhere, I might try to paint to show you the process, you know, and just put a sticker face on it. I will do that since I have something right here that I no longer use, but I'm gonna make a video. So what do you guys think? I mean, it's not bad, but the only thing I don't like is the faces. Are sticker faces, and I can't straighten because the picture I copied this it was in a kind of an angle like this, and I couldn't make it straight faces, so it's kind of a twisted, but not really bad, but I don't like it. But for the purpose of the video, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, and like I said, this is a kind of answer to a comment that they say it's a good idea. So I'm going to show you right now proof that I sold online. So right here we are looking at our sales history. This is dated August 13, 19. The next one is August 26th. You can see it. August 26th, 19. September 22nd. September 26th. And this is October 14th of the year 19th. This one was that? It's over a year ago. Let me show you. I want to click right here. Okay, I sold it for 43 bucks. I want to try to skip the address. So there you go. I sold NN and Yin Long custom coaches for $39.99. plus shipping. This was over a year ago. Let's go to the next one. Again, this one sold for $34.99 plus shipping, and the reason is that I use the short version for this price back in the days. And here I have another one, an engine long for $39.99 plus shipping. Another one for $39.99. And the last one for sold for $32.99 plus $4.44 on shipping. So as you can see, this custom I made it before I started uploading on YouTube. Yeah, I used to make a lot of customs because my customers ask me a lot, you know, to make a custom engines or custom model trains. And well, I started posting on YouTube after a long time of making these custom engines or model trains on eBay. Yeah, that's the record I have for an Yin Long. So I'm gonna make a video in the next days, or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. I'm busy. I'm gonna make a video on how to paint that an Yin Long. And the stickers right here, I have some stickers leftovers, other stickers right here. I'm gonna use these faces. I don't have any others, so I'm not gonna work trying to find a better stickers. It will be only stickers. Alright, thanks for watching. Over and out.